Have you ever felt like giving up before even starting? What if I told you that one small step could change everything? Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Arjun. Arjun was smart, but he was always scared to try new things. He wanted to learn English, but he thought my English is too bad. People will laugh at me. One day, a new teacher came to his school. Her name was Miss Tara. On her first day, she said, to learn anything, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Arjun listened, but he was still afraid. That evening, while walking home, Arjun saw a little girl trying to ride a bicycle. She failed again and again, but she kept trying. Arjun smiled and said, "You are very brave." The girl replied, "I fall, but I get up one day. I will ride this bike like a pro." Arjun felt something inside him change. That night, he stood in front of his mirror and said one sentence in English. "My name is Arjun." He smiled. That was a small step. The next day, he said another sentence, "I am a student." And, and every day after that, he added a new word, a new sentence. Weeks passed away. Arjun could now speak small sentences. He watched English videos, listened to English songs, and practiced with his friends. 6 months later, Arjun stood on stage during the school assembly. He gave a short speech in English. His hands were shaking, but his voice was strong. The student clapped. Arjun smiled. He had done it. So, what did we learn from Arjun's story? You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start one small step. Every day makes a big difference. If Arjun can do it, you can to start today with just one sentence. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe and like, and we will meet in next story.